Hello friends, so welcome to another video of Vedic mathematics. So today we are going to discuss the second sutra, and the second sutra is called Nikhilam Navatarashyam Dashata. It literally translates into all from 9 and last one from 10. Okay, it's a simple mathematics multiplication trick. Okay, so in this video we'll only do single digit multiplication using the second sutra. Okay, suppose you want to multiply 9 into 7, right? Okay, so how do we do it? So which is the nearest number to the 9 and 7? Since it is a single digit number, you take 10 as your base. Okay, this is your base. Subtract each number from 10, so you get 10 minus 9, you get 1. Write it like this, and again you have to subtract 7 from 10. So when I do this, so what I get is 1, and if I subtract 7 from 10, I get 3. Okay, so this is very simple. So what you have to do is, now you have to write down the equation like this: 9 and minus 1, okay, corresponding to the result, and the second digit and its result, which is 3. Okay, now we got our equation set up. Now the solution is divided into two parts, okay, 1 and 2. So we have to find the first digit. So if you want to find the first digit, either subtract this way or subtract that way. Okay, so 7 minus 1 will give you 6, or you can do 9 minus 3. Find the bigger number and subtract the smaller from the bigger. So you got 6. I got 6. And to find the second number, what you have to do is multiply this way, multiply vertically. So that will be 3 into 1 equal to 3. If you multiply 1 and 3, the answer will be 3. So friends, so 9 into 7 is now 63 is the answer. So this is a single digit multiplication, and you were able to find the answer very quickly without any problem. But friends, what happens if a special situation arises like the one which I am going to show you? Okay, what if multiplication of second digit, which means let's look at an example to understand this. Suppose I want to multiply 5 into 6. 5 into 6. So I go through my regular procedure: 10 minus 5. So if I get 5, subtract 6 from 10, I get 4. I write my equation like this: 5 minus 5, I write 6, and its result, which is 4. You see the problem here. If we multiply this, we are going to get a higher number like 20, right? So how to solve this problem? Okay, so first let us look at the first digit. So I'm gonna use 6 minus 5. This is cross subtraction, and I'll get 1, and then I do the multiplication. 5 into 4, that result in 20. Okay, so in this case what you do is you bring down the second digit and write it here. Okay, and this 2 will be added here, 2. So this will result in 3, and you write down this 3 as the answer. So friends, 5 into 6 is going to be 30. Okay, so very simple maths, and in this way you can multiply single digit number. So in the next video we'll talk about how to multiply 2-digit numbers. Okay, so with that, if you please subscribe to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, for more videos like this. Okay, thank you very much.